And then all of you doing great. Well, the decentralization thing itself, that all your cryptos are anonymous to you. All your holdings, you're not accountable to anyone. Why? Because this is your own financial asset. You are having the custody of your own thing. Metamask was one of the pioneers amongst this motive, and a lot of people used to keep their cryptos onto the private wallet, and the Metamask amongst the digital wallet like the Trust Wallet and the Metamask. These two were one of the major players in the industry. Now comes the news that Metamask will actually start to collect the IP addresses of the users. That means the users who are going to perform the on-chain transfer, on-chain activities, their IP address is going to be monitored and associated with the transaction, and they will have it with them in a store. Then came the reason, like what are the reasons to do something like this? Number one, they were like, if let's say there is some sort of a business deal that is happening where there needs to be disclosure of probably the kind of a transaction that has happened, or probably there needs to be a backtracking. So Metamask will have access to that. Having said that, even the know your customer compliance, for example, all the centralized exchanges almost do have this know your customer thing, whereas the private wallet did not have. So it is also going to help deal with that thing, so that any government authorities who would want to intervene, they can have the access to the data for the MetaMask. Then the anti-money laundering thing will be able to monitor and handle via this. There was another point that was added by the MetaMask that, okay, this is not specific. This is not going to happen in all cases. This is only going to happen for the Infura related people, like people who have Infura. This is an affiliate firm basically with the MetaMask. All you need to know is by default, if you set up the MetaMask, it is associated with the Infura thing. And then somebody who has a private Ethereum node and stuff, their transaction will not be monitored. But for the normal people, you have made the MetaMask, your IP address will be noted. This came even with the criticism, like some of the people were criticizing, some of the users were criticizing, okay, what all this decentralization was for all. Like, as you can see, this is the comment: there is nothing more important than consumer privacy, especially when it comes to your financial data. You have a right to be anonymous. MetaMask has provided a great free service for a long time, but their decision to log IPs and tie it to transactions is unacceptable. I would like to know your opinion, guys. What do you feel about why this decision has been made? And if you remember, I even made a video few days back regarding the Uniswap doing something on the similar lines, that Uniswap was supposed to be the decentralized exchange, and they are going to monitor the on-chain transaction that is going to happen at their platform. They are going to note down like the links related with that, the IP address, and few days after that, the MetaMask even doing something like this. Is it due to some sort of a government pressure, or they foresee some sort of a government pressure that is going to come? Probably instead of like directly blocking the platform, they would want to have some sort of a already existing the IP address noticing thing, so that they do have the argument in their favor. Or probably this is all decided from the internal perspective, and that is how it is coming ahead. But anyways, how do you take it? I would like to know your opinion. What do you feel? That is this the right move? Are we heading towards the right direction? Is it solving more of a problem than creating the problem? Is this the decentralization dream that was sort of? But probably there can be sometimes probably that sometimes like we expect some of the things to be certain way, but there are better alternatives. Probably that could be one of the things. So what is your opinion onto that? Having said that, like this is one of the form, like what is the difference now? Like probably keeping onto a centralized exchange and this private wallet. Probably I would say, okay, private wallet cannot have access to your funds. You have the access to your keys, and the centralized exchanges have access to your funds. Like you do not have access to your keys. So something like FTX can happen if the money goes into the bad actor's hand. They try to misuse the user's fund. But for the MetaMask, it couldn't happen because you are having your own key. But this is one of the thing, like a lot of people were really happy about having their things stored onto the MetaMask and stuff, that they have the custody of the thing. So by far, like the most decentralized version, I would say, would be having your own ledger wallet, right? That is the best thing. Like probably you want to be anonymous with your wealth and you want to use it wherever that you want. Ledger is still providing without tracking any of the things that you have. So again, I'll leave the link down below in the description for the Ledger hard wallet. One of the best thing that you can do. Personally, I believe that even if you do not have a large fund, you need to practice first of all with the ledger, because eventually once you have large fund, let's say you have become multimillionaire within the crypto by the next bull market, you would not want to experiment your money with a new thing. Suddenly you get the ledger and then try to do the transfer of like all that amount or expose your wallet to some sort of a device, but rather you would want to practice it beforehand. So guys, again, we have so much of the news, so much of the bad news, one after the other, that is coming. The regulation is still not happened. The regulation is still on the way. Let us see what is in store further for the crypto. But all I can say again is that the best of the things has to go through the stress test, and right now the crypto is actually going to that stress test, and only the best out of it is going to survive, and a lot of them will die on the way. But definitely the best that survive is actually going to create the next bigger thing that we all were awaiting for. So again, guys, if you would like to win one full Bitcoin through us, all you need to do is just sign up to the Binance exchange using our link. The link is down below in the video description. You click onto that link, you sign up onto the exchange, you buy your first crypto. By the way, Binance is the biggest exchange and the best exchange, probably. I mean, if I were to bet on one thing, it would be Binance in the crypto. So if you buy your first crypto using our link and signing up with our link, and then you'll be part of the lucky draw that every 1,000 referral that we complete, we'll give one full Bitcoin away. That means you can even win like 10 Bitcoins, right? After 10,000 referral, we'll be having done 10 lucky draws, and every time you'll be part of it just because you sign up for once. And yeah, I'll just leave a quick video for that, and the link is down below in the description. And thanks a lot for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. We are here, we are in it all together till the next bull market. We are all going to make that life-changing money together. See you, all of you guys, and bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1,000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one-time task. What is that one-time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1,000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1,000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1,000 referral, 2,000 referral, 3,000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.